This is a 1970 Cuda and has the 440 Super Commando 6-pack. Just didn't get any better than this. Of course, the Hemi was available too, as was the 383, which was the standard engine for the Cuda, which was the most upscale of the Barracudas this year. Power steering and brakes, of course. This underhood area is absolutely flawless. One of the best restorations I've ever seen. This is the first year for the new body for the Barracuda, and it shared nothing with the Valiant anymore. That lets you know what engine they have. And it's a beautiful white interior. The windows are up, so you don't have a great view inside. There's the spoiler there in the back, and the graphics. And the signature Cuda there on the tail end. By the way, this has the 4-speed manual. And in a minute you'll get to see in the windshield rundown of the options. And there it is. Very original car. The official name of the paint color is Tar Red, T-O-R-R-E-D. And as you know, I love those white interiors. Great looking car. A pistol grip 4-speed.